Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna go into today's video in the Bobbi Brown Pink Glow highlighter. So this one looks absolutely stunning. We're gonna dive into it, go around, try it, see if it looks good or not on the skin. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. And I have the mini version right here that I bought with the holiday kits, so you can get them like either on Sephora website, you can get them on the Bobbi Brown website or anything. And this one is the mini version and it retails for $30 Canadian. For the big version of this highlighter, it is $63 Canadian. This is also a limited edition, so this color that has, you know, kind of little shimmers in there with a different pattern. This is limited edition. You have other ones that are not limited edition, but this one looks absolutely stunning. It looks like a wet kind of highlighter. So this apparently is a high impact, light reflective powder that will give the skin shimmering rosy highlights packaged into a go anywhere mini mirrored compact, which I love that there's a mirror in there. Most of the time when I have a mini version of something, there's no mirror, but I really appreciate that because I can just bring it on the go to get some glow on the go. Oh my god, little pen. And the thing is, if you're only wearing that, you could be only wearing that if you want. You know, you go into the pink one for your eyes, you go into the lighter one for your cheeks for some highlights. You can really be versatile with a powder like that. And obviously each pattern is unique to the one that you have. And I like also that there's little squares and it's not only the pattern, but there's some texture within the highlighter. And then you have the Bobbi Brown logo at the top as well. I feel like there's nothing much to say but to try it on because why not? So I have the highlighter right here. I have a clean brush that I literally just cleaned for this special occasion. There is a little sticker on the mirror. So satisfying. Did you hear that? I hope you heard that. The mirror is really crystal clear. So I'm gonna go and swirl it around to see. Okay, so when you touch it with the brush, as you can see, the kind of pattern is getting destroyed a little bit, and then you can see some cracks in it, which is not like a crack, but it's like the pink one is only at the top. That's what I feel like. So we're just gonna apply it together, see what it's gonna do. So I have a lot of powder, so it might not look the exact same. All right, so this is a very, I would say, subtle glow. If I just take it on my finger and show you guys, it looks kind of shimmery. And then if I swatch it on my hand, it looks kind of yellowish almost. It's not as pigmented. So let me just apply it like this with my finger. Okay, with my finger, you definitely see it more. But it's not like a blinding highlight. If I just take the white, that's the difference between them both. So you have the white and then you have the pink next to it when both of them are kind of like mixed together. If you blend another brush on top, it will kind of disappear a little bit. So it is pretty. If I tap, maybe. It doesn't stay much here. And I have, like I told you guys, I have a lot of powders on my face. So it's very cute, okay? It's very, very cute. I feel like this is exactly like my skin tone. So the only thing that you'll see is maybe some glow on my cheeks. But the thing is, I don't feel like it is enough of a highlight for me. I'm definitely going to use it as a base or like on my natural skin to, you know, show you guys what it does. Like I'm going to take my finger and just put it like here, for example. Like now on the nose, you can see it. It's insane on the nose. Okay, so the high impact, if you want to have it, you have to take your fingers. Like, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now we have the high impact that we were talking about. I'm just going to change brush to see if it changes anything. There's a little bit more glow, but I feel like if you really want to have some impact, you really have to go with your fingers. And obviously, it would look a little bit better with some setting spray. So let me just take some setting spray and put it on top of my brush. On my brush, like that. Put some setting spray. And then we're going to go on the other side. And we have a little bit more glow when we use it with the setting spray. I feel like if you have a completely matte type of makeup, it's going to look like this, so it's not gonna look as blinding. But if you have on the nose, for example, look at out the nose, how it is. There's a little bit more oils on the nose. It's gonna look a little bit more shimmery. So with the finger, you're gonna have a high impact. With the brush, it's gonna be like a more natural kind of impact. It is shimmering. It's cute, it's nice, it's natural, it's not too much. So if you like a more kind of buildable highlighter, I would recommend this one because it's really nice. It doesn't enhance that much the texture of my skin. As you can see, it's not that bad. It's cute. It's still cute, you know. Is it my favorite highlighter? No, because I do have other highlighters that overperform this one. I have to add, do my finger, go back on it. So do I like this highlighter? Yes, of course. You know, look at my nose, look at the tip of my nose, how cute it looks. Look at my Cupid's bow. It is very, very high impact when you put it with your fingers. Look at my cheeks. If I look at the front to you, does it look weird in any way, shape, or form? It doesn't look weird. It doesn't become ashy, because you know some highlighters, they become kind of weird in some angles. It becomes kind of pinkish, you know, so it blends with the skin tone very well. And then when you hit the light, you're like, bam, it's in your face. So this highlighter is really, really pretty. I would still recommend you buying the mini version over the big version because, you know, it's a lot of money. You know, $30 for like that little tiny highlighter. And then look, I use my finger a bit in it for the first time, and look, the design pattern is already kind of broken a little bit. So that you're gonna have to deal with that, unfortunately, because it's not, you know, it's not gonna stay perfect. I wish it would stay perfect, but you know, it's not. So other than that, it gets dirty pretty quickly. There's a bit of fallout on the side, but overall, it's a pretty highlighter. And if you're applying it, make sure to not applying on a powdered face. And if you do have like super matte face, just make sure to put a little bit of setting spray or something, and it's just gonna work amazing on your skin. So, and if you have texture, obviously it's not gonna be a clean, super smooth stuff, because highlighter likes to enhance texture in its best way possible. So, but this one is not too bad. It's really cute. So anyways, I recommend this product if ever you have Sephora, Bobbi Brown website, anything, if you want to buy it, if you want to try it. If you want to try what holiday collections, the small kits are amazing because you have like a bunch of other products. That's where I got it from. So if you didn't see it, I have my Bobbi Brown haul that I just did recently. It's going to be up here and also down below. And yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to like it, to comment down below again, which is your favorite product ever of anything. It doesn't mean it's Bobbi Brown, but just let's just keep in the Bobbi Brown moment. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one.